So I bought this off of Amazon. Of course I had to try it. Why not? It's better than nothing, right? What could go wrong? Let's give this a go. Oh, would you look at that? It's still spinning. Oh, it's still spinning. Oh, spin. Oh, yeah. Yep, spin. I'm still watching this for like over 5 minutes now. It's so satisfying. Y'all gotta try this. Off of Amazon. Yeah, figure that one out. So it says to leave it on for 5 minutes, let it wash. Let's do that and see what happens. Oh, I'm a little scared. Look at it go. Yeah. Wait, I forgot the lid. Okay. You know what? I kind of want to watch it though. So what's the point of putting on the lid if I want to watch, right? I'm gonna watch. Okay. Okay. Do I unplug? I'm gonna unplug. I'm unplugging. Okay, that's a little scary. Oh my gosh. Let's try that again, shall we? Let's see what happens. Oh! Oh, it restarted. Oh, okay. Okay. We got this.